From my front door to the bathroom is kind of clean. I now need to panic clean my bathroom. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not that bad in here, but like hell am I about to let someone else use my bathroom without me giving it a quick once-over. I don't know what it is about the bathroom, but because they're going to be in there on their own, I've become convinced that they might spot a little bit of dust, or God forbid, any limescale. But realistically, they're going to be here all of 5 minutes, have a quick shower, and head straight off to the pub, so this really is a me problem. Oh, and before anyone says anything, Connor only texts me to give me the heads up, followed by several messages telling me not to clean the house for them, so this panic clean is totally my doing. But I'm sorry, what did he expect? Like, does he even know me anymore? Just topping up my very pink and girly shower gel for them. I'm sure they'll really enjoy that. So we are cutting a few corners here, as I had about 40 minutes notice, I think. But I just love to host, if you can even call this that, and I love being the house that people feel they can just pop into. Tracking Connor on Find My Friends gave me just enough confidence to have time to wipe down my radiator. This is not part of my usual panic clean routine, but I've got just enough time to pop in a couple of clean towels for them, mop the floors, and I think the bathroom is just about ready for them.